Welcome back to the Crypto Hangout, where we talk all things crypto 7 days a week. Before you watch the video, take a second and hit the like and subscribe button. Help us get to 100 subscribers by December. Thanks for clicking. Enjoy. Today's news, we have crypto credit cards could be the missing link to mass adoption. Bitcoin payments for real estate gain traction as crypto holders seek monetization. Brazilian police seize 33 million in crypto money laundering probe. Bitcoin Depot expands crypto ATM offering with Circle K partnership. First decentralized exchange launches on POLKADOT and Kusama ecosystem. Nigeria's central bank digital currency pilot to start October 1st. ARGO blockchain begins building green crypto mine in Texas. And Jack Dorsey and Twitter eyeing Bitcoin. What's going on, you guys? It's Crypto Crane back here for another news edition. Today's July 27th, 2021. And we're going to start off first with the crypto credit cards could be the missing link to mass adoption. Huddling is nice, but eventually everyone wants to buy something. This is why crypto debit and credit cards are key to mass adoption. Out of the many routes available to mass adoption of cryptocurrencies, which includes decentralized finance, layer 1 protocols, non-fungible tokens, and stablecoins, perhaps the simplest and most applicable path for the public at large is the ability to utilize cryptocurrency for everyday purchases with an integrated debit or credit card. In 2021, has seen a growing number of companies offer cryptocurrency-based credit cards that give holders a chance to tap into the value of their cryptocurrencies for daily purchases. But this is just the latest gimmick being used by businesses to earn a buck or a real sign of mass adoption. While the traditional financial sector isn't discussed much in this newsletter because it's focused on exploring the various subsectors of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, crypto assets are quickly becoming a new investment class recognized by the global financial system. That's important. This right here, mass adoption. It's important to clarify the differences between card services offered by some of the largest players in the game, including Crypto.com, BlockFi, and Coinbase. Debit cards like the one offered by Crypto.com allows users to convert their cryptocurrency holders to a stablecoin that can be transacted on Visa's global network. The Coinbase card and crypto debit card offered by Uphold provide a similar service, with both offering rewards for use in the form of a percentage of each purchase paid in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, depending on the platform. Being able to make purchases with your holdings may help bring a good use case to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, but it also goes against the huddle nature of many investors who subscribe to Grisham's law that bad money drives out good money in circulation. Credit cards like the recently launched BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature credit card do not require an upfront conversion of a user's crypto holdings to pay for transactions. Instead, it offers a credit limit with an attached interest rate. Gemini Exchange plans to offer a BTC-backed cash rewards card on the MasterCard network. This is another example that has taken the approach of the legacy credit system by offering rewards and charging interest on carried balances. Users can spend fiat currencies and earn cashback rewards that are paid back in the form of Bitcoin. Paying in dollars while stacking stats line up more with the idea of spending bad money in daily transactions while earning more crypto, but it does require users to have fiat currencies to spend. Bitcoin payments for real estate gain traction as crypto holders seek monetization. Could crypto payments for real estate become another notable way for people to invest their Bitcoin? Or is the learning curve too steep for wider adoption? Crypto investors are betting big on real estate this year as the cryptocurrency market continues to grow. New York Digital Investment Group recently conducted a survey that found that 46 million Americans own Bitcoin, equating to 22% of all adults. While optimistic, some cryptocurrency investors have expressed concerns regarding the currency, custody, and volatility of digital markets. For example, Nickel Digital Asset Management, a regulated European investment manager dedicated to the crypto market, surveyed institutional investors and wealth managers from the United States and Europe who collectively have 275 billion in assets under management. Findings show that 76% of individuals are concerned about the security of the digital assets. The same percentage said this about the size of the market and liquidity, followed by 71% who see the regulatory environment for the crypto market as a major issue. This in mind, Many crypto holders have started investing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies into less risky assets such as real estate. Ben Shaw, managing partner of Magnum Real Estate Group, told Cointelegraph that the company has been recently receiving more requests to sell real estate to cryptocurrency holders. According to Shaw, Magnum began conducting crypto for real estate transactions about 3 years ago. We hadn't tackled this before, since most real estate developers didn't understand crypto payments, but we understood what it meant and how we could structure a sale for cryptocurrency. With the help of our legal team, we figured out how to conduct crypto transactions and with the consent of regulators. We first sold a few residential units, then we sold a retail condominium in New York about 3 years ago for cryptocurrency. Specifically speaking, Shaw noted that the income generated from the retail condominium building that Magnum sold for $15.3 million in Bitcoin during 2019 is all credit. M&T Bank has been a tenant in this building since it was built. They are a multi-billion dollar bank. This is an important detail, said Shaw, as Shaw further commented that individuals who have created new wealth with cryptocurrency don't have a way to monetize or create a steady income stream. This property has over $1 million a year of free cash flow. This is a very attractive offering for someone sitting on wealth they've created in cryptocurrency. This gives them an opportunity to monetize and effectively collect a bond moving forward. So if this becomes the norm, then you can see Bitcoin going to that $1 million like a lot of people predict. So it looks like it's heading that way. This company has been selling real estate for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for 3 years now. So, you can see the mass adoption is coming. So it's pretty much already here. Brazilian police seized 33 million in crypto money laundering probe. Brazil civil police seized 33 million in US dollars amid an investigation into money laundering carried out through crypto exchanges. During an operation known as Exchange that took place in Sao Paulo and Diadema, Brazilian police carried out 6 search warrants, after which the Brazilian judiciary authorized freezing accounts and seizing assets from 2 individuals and 17 companies, according to an official statement that did not name them. The investigation found that crypto exchanges acquired and sold Bitcoin to fictitious companies fabricated to facilitate their creators access to the banking system. In a 5-month period, one of the exchanges transacted 1.93 million in digital assets with 6 bogus companies, while 8 other bogus companies acquired 2.9 million in cryptocurrencies in the same period, the police said. The exchanges did not verify the legitimacy of the entities they dealt with or the transaction's origin, the Brazilian police said, adding that the exchanges normally operated on behalf of a criminal organization dedicated to laundering money through cryptocurrencies. According to the investigation, money was sent to offshore companies and subsequently repatriated by simulating sales or service provision transactions. Preliminary investigations indicated that companies conducted large transactions among themselves and then routed money to intermediaries who were responsible for the acquisition of digital assets and the delivery of a hash code to their clients. Bitcoin Depot expands crypto ATM offering with Circle K partnership. Cryptocurrency ATM Bitcoin Depot announces an exclusive international partnership with convenience store chain Circle K. Bitcoin Depot will expand its network of crypto ATMs to Circle K locations throughout the US and Canada. As part of the deal, over 700 Bitcoin ATMs at Circle K locations in 30 states have already been installed. First decentralized exchange launches on POLKADOT and Kusama ecosystem. The first decentralized exchange on POLKADOT and Kusama ecosystem has been launched by Karora, the DeFi network of the Akala Foundation. Karora Swap has opened for trading with 3.4 million in total value locked, according to the announcement Friday. The exchange's first trading pair is KSM/KAR, formed of the native tokens of Kusama and Karora. Karora Swap will harness a bootstrap mechanism as means of launching a new trading pair in a warm-up mode as a means of achieving liquidity without some of the risk of market manipulation. Trading is temporarily disabled in bootstrap mode until the predetermined liquidity requirements are reached, the announcement said. Karora was announced in June as the first winner of a 48-week lease to build on Kusama, Polkadot's pre-production environment, also known as its Canary network. Polkadot and other networks like Cosmos and Solana are offering developers a way to avoid higher costs and increased congestion on Ethereum that have come with the explosion in the DeFi market. Nigeria's central bank digital currency pilot to start October 1st. The Central Bank of Nigeria may test a digital currency as early as October. During a webinar on Thursday, Rakia Mohammed, the bank's Director of Information Technology, said the pilot will begin October 1st, according to someone who took part and asked to remain anonymous because the meeting was private. The meeting was reported earlier by Nigerian financial news publication Nairametrics. Olamide Adesina, the author of Nairametrics article, told CoinDesk that according to his sources, Mohammed herself had called a virtual meeting to discuss the initiative. Last month, Mohammed said the bank had been researching a possible central bank digital currency for years and would possibly be launching a pilot before the end of the year. Financial officials in Nigeria have been grappling with how best to deal with the rise of cryptocurrencies in the African nation, which prohibited transactions on cryptocurrencies in the banking sector in February. Edward Adumo, a deputy governor of CBN, subsequently clarified that crypto trading is not banned in the country and usage is continuing to grow despite the banking restrictions. ARGO blockchain begins building green crypto mine in Texas. ARGO blockchain has announced that it has started building a green cryptocurrency mining facility in Texas. The company which listed on the London Stock Exchange in 2018 as a vehicle to allow investors to tap into crypto mining, revealed that 200 megawatt facility in Dickens County will be powered predominantly by renewable energy. The move is set to transform ARGO's mining capacity and is expected to be completed in the first half of 2022. Crypto mining is a process in which a coin is awarded to a computer that solves a complex series of algorithms. Jack Dorsey wants to make Bitcoin the future of Twitter. Jack Dorsey is a strong supporter of Bitcoin and it's an open secret. But what we didn't know until now is that CEO of Twitter and his team have plans to insert cryptocurrency into the social network services ecosystem. Bitcoin could soon be leveraged for services like subscriptions, e-commerce, and new features that will be integrated into Twitter. So, and just to say, this was a comment that Dorsey said, I think it's extremely important for Twitter and its shareholders that we continue to examine this space and invest in it effectively, said Jack Dorsey. He also goes on to say that if Facebook plans a pilot to project the launch of its cryptocurrency later in the year, Twitter is not in this perspective. He prefers to integrate Bitcoin into his DNA as quickly as possible. There is a clear need for that, explains Jack Dorsey, and I think an open and standard native to the internet is the right way to go, which is why my focus and our focus will be ultimately on Bitcoin. To this day, Dorsey remains one of the main supporters of Bitcoin, and he has never hidden it. On the contrary, since 2018, he presents this cryptocurrency as a single currency of the internet. And to support the growth of Bitcoin Square, its cryptocurrency-friendly digital payments company is making colossal investments. By the end of 2020, she had bought 50 million in Bitcoin and an additional 170 million by February 2021. And that concludes today's cryptocurrency news. Thank you guys for watching. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment on the video what you think. Is Jack Dorsey and Twitter become the currency of, will Bitcoin become the currency of Twitter? And if it does, will it propel Bitcoin even more? Thanks for watching. Peace out.